You guys, protector power strips are just so important. Like, if you don't have one of these, go get one. First of all, it's adaptable. Like, you can change the extension cord. I'm gonna show you how many different lengths they are. But look, there's 6 total plugins. We also have the C1 right here, the A1, A2, and then another C2. So this is for the power cord C, which would be like iPhone type of like, or even Android. And this is just for like USB. So like it has everything you need. It has the on and off right here. And of course, 3 different lengths. So right here we have one of the power cords. This one is the long one. This is the short one. And then this is the medium. 4 feet, 10 feet, and 16 feet long. So this one could be like for your lamps, your, maybe something close to you, your bedside. This could be something for like maybe like a living room a little bit farther away. And this one, maybe for like a party where you need 16 feet, 16, like that's really long. Like this could go so far, so pretty great. And then you can just change the cord here. I'm gonna show you how to put it on. Just easily plug it in there. It's completely attached. To unplug it, you just push in this little button here, and then that's it. Perfect. And plug this right here. With this, I feel way more secure that if anything were to happen, I can just, be protected and be able to turn it on, turn it off. I do love that. This is a sensor light. That's why it keeps going on and off. But you guys, this is so amazing.